Cauliflower or gobi is one vegetable we make so many recipes with. Today, let's make a simple vegan Indian style cauliflower curry. Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Dash of Delight. I am Soumya. Take a medium sized, nice and fresh cauliflower, chop off the hard part of the stem and then cut out all the florets like this. Now, cauliflower often contains bugs or dirt particles. So just in order to clean it properly, boil some water and drop in all the florets into it for 2 to 3 minutes. This step will ensure that our cauliflower is all good to be consumed. Now, take 2 tablespoons of oil in a pressure cooker. You can also take a normal saucepan. Once heated, add chopped garlic, cumin seeds and a pinch of asafoetida. Then add 1 onion finely chopped. Also add grated ginger, saute until golden brown and then add 1 finely chopped tomato. Saute everything and just to ensure nothing burns, add half a cup of water. When the water reduces, add turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chilli powder, garam masala powder and salt. Mix everything together. Now, since dry spices tend to burn pretty quickly, so don't forget to add a little bit of water here. I'm also gonna add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. This will give very nice color to the curry, but this is optional for you. Now let it cook. And when the water dries out and all the spices come together, add in all the blanched florets. There we go. Also add in handful of green peas. This will give very nice flavor and bite to the curry. Now mix everything together. A good mixing is required here, so keep stirring the vegetables for a couple of minutes. Then simmer the gas and roughly place the lid for 7 to 8 minutes. Then after around 7 minutes, open the lid and stir everything again on high flame for another 2-3 minutes. Now add around 3/4 glass of water for gravy. Give it a mix and now place the lid. This time lock it properly and let it cook for 2 whistles. Then after 2 whistles, switch off the gas and let it release the pressure on its own. Then open the lid and add a handful of cilantro or coriander leaves and mix it. You can also add half teaspoon of garam masala here. So that's it guys. Take it out in a bowl right away and serve it hot. Enjoy it with some steamed rice, roti, bread, paratha or anything absolutely of your choice. So that's all for today. You guys don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you next time only on Dash of Delight. Take care. Bye bye.